Let's check in with you, Sarah, about what we can expect for our road conditions.
Yeah, for our road conditions this morning, I mean, yesterday we were dealing with lots of flooding, wintry impacts along our passes over east side. But a live look out across this morning, we are still dealing with showers. We're dealing with cloudy sky coverage as well this morning. But for today, expect to see snowy and slick roads out on this morning. Snow levels will be starting off around 1,500 feet. We are seeing some snow into our West Side Valley passes. Rivers and streams will stay high for the day today, and we'll be likely to see areas of rocks and landslides today. Now, showers do continue into the afternoon. We'll see those snow levels rise to about 3,000 feet, maybe a little bit above, but we do have winter weather advisories for this morning over areas west of the Cascades until 10 a.m. East side and into Siskiyou County is lasting a bit longer until 2 p.m. on our Monday, but we definitely are dealing with winter impacts this morning. But over to the west side, still seeing some green into areas. As we're heading a little bit further into this morning, early morning, we could see some flakes make it down into the valley floors, but it will stay wet, not causing too many travel impacts. But heading over east side, definitely if you're traveling along 140 this morning, 97, heading through the passes as well, you will encounter slick areas, snowy roads, and snow is still coming down quite a bit in some areas, so that could impact visibility as well. Down into Northern California, less shower coverage than we are seeing north into Southern Oregon, but just be aware of what you could be dealing with this morning with those showers. Now, in terms of flooding, we still do have that flood watch for Rogue River near Agnes. That is until Wednesday. We are going to be seeing some improvements, but we'll be keeping you updated through this week. And in the past 48 hours, we have received quite a bit of that rainfall, and we're no stranger to that. We know what was going on, but as we're heading through today, the concern is how much more are we getting? Well, with these showers, it won't be amounting to too much and isn't going to be a big concern. But for temperatures right now, 35 in Klamath Falls, 37 for Montague, Grants Pass 35 in the 40s along the coast. Temperatures today are still well below average. We're going to be into the 40s for Grants Pass and Medford, a high of 49, Wairika 45, Klamath Falls 42. Into the afternoon, we'll see those breezes pick up a bit, but not as windy as what we saw this weekend, especially with those very strong wind gusts. But taking a look out at Stormcast for today, this morning we are dealing with some bands of showers. Those will kind of fizzle out as we're heading late into the day. Shower coverage will become more spotty into the afternoon. We'll continue though as we head overnight. We could see some breaks of the clouds as well. Some sunshine peeking through into the afternoon. Overnight areas will we likely still see some of those showers. It's going to be along the Cascades and over to the coast, but into our Tuesday we do begin to dry out. We'll be dealing with partly cloudy sky conditions for the region. Now as we head into Wednesday, that's when our next system will make it here into the afternoon likely, and then overnight into our Wednesday. You could see some rain as we head into our Thursday morning, but we'll be drying out later into the day. So it's a very quick moving system with that. We're going to keep an eye on those winds though, because it does look right now like we're going to see some very windy conditions along the coast and likely going to be seeing that over east side. But taking a look at the next few days and those high temperatures into the Rogue Valley, it is still going to continue to be rather cool through the week. We're keeping a close eye on Sunday when we're finally going to be seeing temperatures warm up, but it is a little too far out to confirm that just yet. But let's take a look at your next 7 days for the coast. Windy for Wednesday. Rain will be likely through Friday over into Northern California. Windy as well. And your first day of spring will be waking up with some showers, but it'll be drying out later into the day on your Thursday. Over into the Klamath Basin tomorrow morning, waking up with drier conditions, but it will be cold, so do expect some areas of slick spots on those roads. Over into the mountains, carry those chains with you throughout the week. We will see the chance for snow showers early tomorrow morning with some cooler temperatures, and finally back over into the Rogue Valley. A slight chance for showers tomorrow, but it will be on the drier side. We'll see that rain return late into the day on our Wednesday with some breezy conditions.